Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up TIDAL Family Plan. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for TIDAL on any browser that you prefer using. You can either go to tidal.com or you can just search for TIDAL itself. And when you search for it, as you can see, there's going to be subscription types right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your account.tidal.com and then simply go ahead and log into your account, and you're going to be taken to a page similar to this where there is the individual, the family plan, the student plan. On family plan, just click on the join button. This is a different page which is just describing, so it doesn't have it yet, but you can simply click on the join tab, and then it's going to ask you for your card and payment details, and simply go ahead and enter that, and your family plan will be set up that easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.